Hello friend, I got this iPhone 17 Air right now from the market, and altogether I got three colors here: gold, black and blue, and also we have white color. Altogether there will be four colors, but now I got three colors here to show you guys. Alright guys, let's check what the iPhone 17 Air looks like. And this is the gold color, which is very nice, and this is a black color, and this is a blue color. iPhone 17 Air. This is the new models for the iPhone 17 series, which is the newest model. And I got this three from the market, and this is the replica version, and I will show you what this looks like in the box. Alright, let's get started to unbox them. Yes, original iPhone 17 Air box. It's iPhone here in the side, and it's 1 terabyte. The other logo here. Let's unbox it. So we need to unbox here. Need to peel it off. Alright. Well, a bit tight. No worry. Wow. Alright guys, we got it. So this is the gold iPhone 17 Air. Wow. Yeah. And this is a box. We got a USB-C charging cable here and the user manual inside the box. And then we got the iPhone 17 Air. Really nice. Look. Apple logo in the center, and this new camera for iPhone 17 Air. It looks really nice, guys. And this is the side. It's gold and it's similar like the silver or white color. Alright, so let's peel it off. Just screen protector, paper sticker. Alright, and let's turn it on to check this iPhone 17 Air. Yes, this is the best version in the market I can get right now, and I will tell you some specification about this. This is the MT6750 octa-core, 2GB RAM, and 32 or 64 GB storage, and we make this 1 terabyte. Yes, in the box. So it's up to you. We can make it 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte. It's up to you. Alright guys, and then we come to the home menu of this iPhone 17 Air, new iOS 26. Alright, let's set it up. And then we got it. And also it shows 5G here. Okay, guys, have a look. And we need to set it up. Alright, English, I will check it. Quick setup. Country, yeah. Guys. Okay guys, so we got to the home menu of this iPhone 17 Air. It's really nice, and this is iOS 26. Actually, it's Android system, but they make a fake iOS screen inside this phone. Right. So let's check general here about. So here is iPhone Air, and the model number, serial number, and this is 1 terabyte, and we can say IMEI 1, IMEI 2, etc. So it looks really nice. Yeah, check it. So this is iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Air. Go color. Okay, and this is camera. Yes, the camera works also great. The back camera is 12 megapixels and front camera is 10 megapixels. It's good for these phones, although maybe not as good as original but it's good enough. Yeah. So this is a good color, and I will show you guys the black color or blue color. Okay, black color. Let's unbox it. And then we got the black. Oh. And then we got the black iPhone Air. Really nice, right? Okay. And also this one, the blue one. Okay. Guys, the blue one. Wow, the blue one looks really nice. Alright guys, so this is iPhone 17 Air I got just from the market, and they make it very perfect and seem like original, and it works great as well. I just turn on this gold color and show you guys what's inside the system inside it, and it works great. Make telephone calls, take pictures, or surf the internet with your Wi-Fi. So this is a perfect made iPhone 17 Air. Alright guys, if you are interested in this iPhone 17 Air, please contact me by my WhatsApp or write me email. Thank you so much, and thank you for sharing your time with me, and see you next time. Bye!